Today I will teach you how to make your own dryer sheets. Join me. There are two ways to create your own dryer sheets. 1. Use the dryer balls. After the drying cycle ends, add 2 drops of essential oil to each ball. Then toss the balls back into your dryer for 5 to 7 minutes. Doing this will transfer the scent to your clothes and is a chemical-free way of having your own dryer sheets. Step 2. Use a cotton cloth and place 10 to 12 drops of essential oils on the cloth. Again, just like with the dryer balls, toss them back into the dryer for 5 to 7 minutes to transfer the scent. Personally, I love lemongrass and spruce scents. However, you can experiment and find whatever scents that you like and use them. It, again, is a natural way to get your clothes smelling fresh and clean. Please share this video with your friends. Subscribe to my channel for daily DIY organizational and cleaning videos, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you, and I will see you tomorrow.